Time to take the time machine quiz. Choose the best answer for each question. What is the primary purpose of the time machine on a Mac? To improve the speed of the computer, to create a backup of files and allow recovery of lost data, to install new software updates, to organize files into folders. The answer is B, to create a backup of files and allow recovery of lost data. Why might someone want to exclude certain files from their time machine backup? To save space on the backup drive? Because those files are not important? To speed up the backup process? All of the above. The answer is D, all of the above. If you accidentally delete an important file, how can Time Machine help you? It will automatically recover the file without any action needed. You can use Time Machine to travel back in time and restore the file. It will notify you that the file has been deleted. It will create a new version of the file. The answer is B. You can use Time Machine to travel back in time and restore the file. What happens to older backups when the Time Machine backup disk becomes full? They are saved indefinitely. The oldest backups are deleted to make room for new ones. The backup process stops until space is cleared. They are transferred to iCloud. The answer is B. The oldest backups are deleted to make room for new ones. How often does Time Machine create backups? Once a week? Every hour for the past 24 hours? Daily for the past month? And weekly for previous months? Only when the computer is turned off? Every time a file is changed? The answer is B. Every hour for the past 24 hours, daily for the past month, and weekly for previous months. What is one advantage of using Time Machine in the cloud compared to a physical external drive? It is faster. It is less expensive. It can back up data even when you're away from home. It does not require an internet connection. The answer is C. It can back up data even when you are away from home. When restoring your entire Mac from a Time Machine backup, what is a key step you must take? Connect your backup drive and restart your Mac while holding Command key plus R. Open Time Machine Preferences and select your backup. Delete all files from your Mac before restoring. Wait for a notification to appear. The answer is A. Connect your backup drive and restart your Mac while holding the Command key plus the letter R. If a backup is running slowly, which of the following actions might help improve the speed? Close unnecessary applications to free up resources. Increase the size of the backup drive. Change the backup frequency to once a month. Disconnect the backup drive and reconnect it later. The answer is A. Close unnecessary applications to free up resources. Why is it important to encrypt your Time Machine backup? To make the backup process faster? To keep your backed up data safe from unauthorized access? To reduce the amount of storage space used? To ensure the backups are compatible with other devices? The answer is B. To keep your backed up data safe from unauthorized access. What is the best practice for maintaining your Time Machine backups? Only backup files that are important. Keep your backup drive unplugged to save power. Test your backups by restoring files occasionally. Use the same backup drive for all your devices. The answer is C. Test your backups by restoring files occasionally.